Zoho One versus Zoho Books, which is more worth it. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between Zoho One and Zoho Books to help you decide which one is the better choice for your business. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Zoho One and Zoho Books serve different purposes. Over here, let's start with Zoho One. After that, Zoho One is an all-in-one business suite that includes 50 plus integrated applications covering CRM, finance, project management, HR, and more. It also comes with AI-powered automation, advanced reporting, and seamless integrations. Then let's talk about pricing. Over here, Zoho One starts at $37 per user per month when billed annually, but if you select individual users, it costs $90 per user per month. Now, let's move on to Zoho Books. Over here, it is a standalone accounting tool designed for small and medium businesses, offering automated invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and tax compliance. After that, looking at the pricing, Zoho Books offers a free plan for businesses earning under $50K per year, while paid plans start at $15 per month and go up to $240 per month for advanced features. Then, if we compare both over here, Zoho One is best for businesses that need more than just accounting, while Zoho Books is ideal for those looking for a dedicated accounting solution without extra tools. So that's how Zoho One and Zoho Books compare. That's all for this video.